Hey everyone! Choosing between AutoDS and CJ Dropshipping, I'm breaking down exactly which one saves you money and which one wastes it. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and smash the like, you'll need this info. Quick rundown. AutoDS is an all-in-one automation platform. Think automatic product imports, price monitoring, order fulfillment, all from one dashboard. It works with multiple suppliers like Amazon, Walmart, and AliExpress. CJ Dropshipping is more of a sourcing and fulfillment service. They handle product sourcing from China, custom packaging, and have their own global warehouses. Free to start, but you pay per order. Let's get into what matters. Pricing. AutoDS starts at around $27 month with tiered plans. You're paying for automation tools. CJ Dropshipping? Zero monthly fees, but here's the catch. Their per order fulfillment and shipping fees add up fast, especially if you're scaling. Automation. This is where AutoDS dominates. Automatic price updates, stock monitoring, bulk order processing, all hands-free. CJ Dropshipping requires way more manual work. You're doing sourcing requests, managing orders yourself. Less automation means more of your time. Product range and shipping. CJ Dropshipping has a massive catalog over 450K products and their own warehouses globally, so shipping can be fast. But some users complain about inconsistent delivery times and high shipping costs. AutoDS connects you to multiple suppliers, giving you more flexibility and often faster US/EU options, but the product catalog depends on which suppliers you use. Best for: if you're just testing dropshipping or want custom branding with low upfront costs, CJ Dropshipping works. But if you want to scale quickly without drowning in manual tasks, AutoDS is the clear winner. The automation alone saves you hours daily. Bottom line, CJ Dropshipping looks cheap upfront, but those per-order fees and manual processes slow you down. AutoDS costs monthly, but the automation, multi-platform support, and time savings make it worth every penny for serious sellers. So which one are you choosing? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more dropshipping breakdowns. See you in the next one.